No fancy intro, no BS. We're diving straight in, so get ready to take some notes. YouTube Automation Step-by-Step Guide. Step 1. Pick your niche. It's better if you're passionate about the subject, as this will help you continue to want to grow the channel. Here is a list of some niches you can choose from. Note, their estimated CPM. CPM, or cost per mille, is a metric that lets you know how much money you will be getting paid per 1,000 views. Depending on the kind of content you put out and other factors, your CPM can range anywhere from 50 cents to over $12. Let's do a quick example. If you had a CPM of 50 cents, 1 million views would give you a revenue of $500. A CPM of $12 would get you a revenue of $12,000. Quite the difference, right? While higher CPMs are great, don't let this deter you from going after a niche you really like. Ad revenue is not the only way you can make money from YouTube. Step 2. Design your brand. Now that you have your niche, you have to think about branding. Because this is going to be an automated channel, you won't be the brand. This means you have to focus on important things like a solid name, brand colors, fonts, and tone of voice. For better branding, make sure these things stay consistent, so when people see your video, they can easily tell it's you. An easy way to keep track of this is to use Canva. They have a brand hub where you can add your brand colors, fonts, logos, and other graphics related to your brand. If you want name ideas, you can go to namelix.com and insert some keywords. That will give you some brandable names to work with. For fonts other than the ones in Canva, try kufonfonts.com. They even have a collection for YouTubers. For brand colors that go together, use coolers.co. Simply hit the space bar to refresh the palette until they show colors you like. For your logo, Looka has a free logo maker. If these aren't to your liking, you can hire an artist off of Fiverr. You can get a solid logo from artists for under $15. If you don't have a Fiverr account, we recommend you get one, especially for the next steps. Sign up with our link in the description to support the channel, or you could like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Step 3. Automate your channel. Time to outsource. Head to Fiverr.com and look for the following services: YouTube script writing, voiceovers, video creation, thumbnail design, and SEO. Some people offer entire done-for-you videos, but we suggest looking for people who specialize in specific areas. This way, each part of your video is done by a master of their trade. For the best results, look for people with high ratings with over 100 reviews. Unless you have beginner's luck, the people you hire for your first video probably won't deliver exactly what you are looking for. Remember, YouTube automation is an investment. If you want great videos, you need a great team behind you. Hire slow and fire fast. To save money, I recommend researching and doing SEO yourself. Use platforms like vidIQ to help. When you're first starting out with YouTube, your aim should be to have people find you through search, as YouTube doesn't know who to recommend your videos to yet. Go to the keyword section and look for searches that have good volume but low competition. These will be great first videos to make, as you will be able to rank higher. Then use their AI feature to create titles, descriptions, and add tags. That's it. Make a brand, hire people, and upload. For full automation, hire someone to manage everything for you. If you don't have lots of time, but you have a good amount of startup money, this is a great way to start a channel. If you have lots of time but not a lot of money to spare, I suggest you learn the process yourself. It's hard work, but it can be very rewarding. We'll end with a quote by Amelia Earhart. "The most difficult thing is the decision to act. The rest is merely tenacity." Now that you know how YouTube automation works, go do it. Drop your channels in the comments so we can check out your progress. If you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any requests for future videos, be sure to let us know in the comments.